Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon. Yeah, please sit.
Thank you. So here's my CV. Thank you. So,
Okay, Akshita, just tell me what is the purpose of your life, that what you want in your life, overall career objective.
so my career objective, since I'm a novice, I want to have such a platform where I can learn, I can outgrow my skills and grow professionally and personally.
Okay, so what is the meaning of your personal growth and professional growth?
Personal growth means I'm able to pay my own expense. I can lead an independent life. I am no longer dependent on myself. And professional growth means I get some skills which can be helpful for my career.
Okay, just tell me who is Akshita Gupta?
So Akshita Gupta is an organized person. Earlier she used to be little weak in communication skills, but she's trying to improve herself day by day.
Okay. Just tell me about the family background, qualification, and articleship experience.
Okay, sir. Sir, I live in Jaipur. I am from a joint family, and telling about my articleship experience, I have done it from a Jaipur-based cost chartered accountant firm named Badaya and Company, where I was majorly exposed in the areas of direct taxation, indirect taxation, and ROC form filing.
Akshita, you have mentioned dancing, sketching, and playing badminton. Okay. Do you know in your job or your career, you'll get a monotonous life? You'll be dealing with a monotonous life. How will you take out time for such things which will cheer you up?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, these things are my leisure activities. I do them as per my availability of time and my mood. Many of things are also there, but mainly if I want to do I have that much of time and I want to do something productive, I take up that. But apart from that, there are many time pass activities of mine.
But how will you break the monotony? Do you know after a year or two doing the same kind of work repeatedly, you will get really bored of it? How will you break the monotony?
I will do research. Research is indefinite. I can daily add up my skills in research in my work.
Akshita, what type of work have been done in debtor aging?
So debtor aging, we used to divide debtors on the basis of days outstanding. We prepare aging of debtors up to 90 days, 90 to 120 days, 120 to 365 days, and more than 365 days. Debtor aging is basically done to find out those debtors on which our cash is blocked, so that we can realize it and take necessary steps.
Okay.
Akshita, you have done filing of TDS returns as well.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the due date of TDS return?
So due date of TDS return is 30 of the next following month,
And
30th. And in case of March, it is 30th May.
okay, it's monthly.
Yes, no, sir, it is quarterly.
Okay, you said that 30 of the next month.
In last quarter 4,
Okay,
we have to file it out on 31st May.
and what is the due date to deposit TDS?
Sir, 7th of next month.
Okay, just tell me about the section 194C.
So 194C applies on payment to contractor and contractor. This also include a lot of work such as advertising, catering, and others also. In this the deductor TDS applies on person other than individual HF, but individual HF are also included if their gross receipt in previous financial year from profession is 50 lakh or from business it is up to 1 crore.
Yeah,
For
what is the rate?
individual HOF, the rate is 1%, and for others, the rate is 2%. The rate is identified on the basis of pay. If pay is individual HF, then it is 1%. If others, then it is 2%.
Okay, monetary limit.
So monetary limit is 30,000 if we take single contract, and for a series of contract, for a series of payment in a single year, we count 1 lakh.
Okay.
Akshita, you have mentioned that in articleship training you prepare some type of financial statements.
Yes, sir.
Tell me any type of criteria for financial statement.
So in financial statements, I prepared balance sheet and mainly profit and loss account. Mainly in this, there is schedule 3 which specifies a list that you need to be considered while preparing financial statements. You have to prepare trading payables aging, trading receivables aging, and recently you have to do rounding of compulsory while preparing financial statements.
Only Schedule 3 is followed, or any other provisions also there?
So Schedule 3 and accounting standards are also followed. And Schedule 3 Division 1 is applicable on non-Ind AS companies, and Schedule 3 Division 2 mainly specifies Ind AS companies.
Okay.
Let's go down the memory lane. Give an advice to Akshita 5 years before and one suggestion to 5 years ahead.
If I give suggestion to Akshita 5 years back, I would say to be more confident. I was very underconfident girl. Still, I am in the phase of improving it. I am practicing it day by day. But when it comes to giving advice further, I want to be more dedicated and professional in my career.
So that means if you are a little still undergoing the process of confidence, that means we cannot give you any kind of responsibility related to team leader. You will be working better as a team member, you want to say?
Ma'am, initially I would like to work as a team only because it will help me to learn interpersonal skills also, and as a team it is also beneficial to work because you will get 10 different ideas of a particular problem and you will be able to work efficiently. You know how to work in a team. Since I am a beginner, I don't know how team works. I do not have any practical exposure. By this I will be able to get some qualities which are capable of becoming a team leader.
Akshita, you won first prize in Kho competition.
Yes,
So how many players played in a Kho team?
In Kho there are 12 players, but the players who play on field are 9. And 8 used to sit and 1 used to stand and play.
Okay. Explain the term call option and put option.
So call option we take when we expect that in future the price of a share or particular commodity is expected to increase. So we fix a price by taking call option that in future date we will purchase it on that price only. And in put option we take decisions if we think that the price of a option will be going downwards in the future. So we fix a price where we will be selling it.
Okay. And Akshita, your articleship experience about the preparation of tax audit report. So what is difference between 3CA, 3CB and 3CD?
So 3CA and 3CD are used to prepare for that persons who have audit in some other laws, and the person who on whom audit is not applicable on any law, we used to prepare 3CB and 3CD.
3CA?
3CA and 3CD are a form, and 3CB and 3CD are form for non-audit individuals.
Akshita, you got Gargi award in 10th and 12th class by Rajasthan government. So what type of award is it? To whom it is being awarded?
The candidates who scored more than 75% in their Rajasthan board, they are awarded a cash prize by Rajasthan government.
In this prize, who is Gargi?
Sir,
From where it is being inspired?
Sir, I do not have any knowledge about that.
Okay, you got the prize, but you don't know the person due to whom you got the prize.
Sir, I think I will brush upon this later on.
Okay. So you are also interested in dance and quiz related contest. And what type of quiz you have participated till now?
Sir, quiz. Till now, I played quiz till my 12th only. And the topics used to be any political topic or any topic related to current scenario of that time.
Okay. And what type of dance form you like?
Sir, I do it for my enjoyment and for time pass. There is no particular dance form which I like. I do it by my heart only.
Okay. So you have done RSCIT as well. What is the meaning of RSCIT?
Sir, RSCIT is a computer course in which the basics of computer is taught, and there is an exam held. In this, earlier you have to prepare yourself practically and theoretically, and then the exams are held by Rajasthan government.
Yeah, full form of RSCIT.
Rajasthan State Computer. Sorry, sir, I am not able to recollect my thoughts.
Okay.
Akshita, just tell me about how many type of assets are there?
So there are two types of assets: fixed asset and current assets.
And in fixed assets, what things we include?
So in fixed asset, we include all those things which have benefit for more than 1 year. We include PP in that. We include intangible assets in that.
What about fictitious assets?
Fictitious assets are those assets which have no realizable value in current year.
In current year, either it is fixed assets or current assets. How we classified it?
Sir, what? I'm sorry.
Fictitious assets are either current or fixed.
So fictitious assets are current assets.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Akshita, you have done lots of work during your articleship as well, like bank reconciliation, ROC annual filings. You also did that. So, what type of forms you filed during your ROC training?
So in my ROC training, I filed Form MGT7, Form EOC4, Form DIR3, DIR6, and for incorporation of company INC 32 SPICE form is filed. So I have filed that much form.
Okay. And you also scored good marks in mathematics and accountancy in 12th board, I think 90 plus marks.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
So, what is the use of trigonometry in our life?
So trigonometry is more useful for engineering students when they used to tackle a contract.
No, in our life. In our life, normal person's life.
Sir, currently I'm not able to connect with trigonometry in my life, if I say.
So you think that is waste of time?
No, sir. It has some use, but in my life it is not applicable. Maybe I'm not doing that kind of work.
Okay, so when you studied trigonometry, you did not ask to the teacher, sir, why we study trigonometry?
So trigonometry is basically all the course is specified. The teachers have to do it, and teachers also said this, that you will be able to apply trigonometry in your life when you are doing a particular thing or a particular job. Else
What type of that jobs are?
So mainly in engineering, when you used to prepare building contracts and building work, mainly trigonometry is used in that only.
Okay. So in your perception, what is more important, gaining knowledge or gaining more marks?
Sir, in my perception, both are equally important, because if you don't get marks, nobody will choose you. It depends for some time, but after initially you will be judged by your marks only. But if you have certain knowledge, and the thing happened is the person who don't have enough marks have less opportunities. But if they given an opportunity, and they will be proved by their knowledge only.
Okay. Okay. So during your studies in CMA studies, which subject was your favorite?
So costing.
Costing was your favorite
Yes.
subject. So what is the material sub-usage variance?
So material sub-usage variance occur when the material quantity which you have used is not up to the standard mark. The standard and the actual material used is not.
Standard and actual material used.
Yes.
Just give me example.
So for example, if for a chocolate I have decided that I have to use 10 kg of cocoa and 20 kg of dark chocolate to prepare a chocolate, and the total is 30 kg, and I have used 25 kg only, then sub-usage variance will arise.
Okay. And the proportion of the material will be same or it will be different?
The proportion of material will be same, in that in material mix variance it will be different. Material
Okay.
mix variance.
So
and
if
all
we
because
don't mix in proper proportion,
Yes,
then
sir.
material mix variance will also come.
Yes.
So what is the formula of
Material mix variance.
Yeah, no, material sub-usage variance.
So our material sub-usage variance is standard quantity minus revised standard quantity multiplied by standard price.
Okay, we will always keep standard quantity first, or can we keep revised first?
Sir, in mix variance we will keep revised first and actual quantity later on.
Okay.
Let's talk about relocation. Are you okay with relocation?
Ma'am, I will be okay. Firstly, I have to see the place where I am relocated. If my safety and security is not hampered, I will be ready to relocate. And also, if I will be relocating myself to a metro city, it will help me to grow more.
Okay. Is your family okay with relocation?
Yes, ma'am. My family is okay.
Okay. Our company is located at some of the small towns as well. But the salary package, designation you will be knowing. How far you are okay in settling down with that?
I want to inquire more about the salary and what package company will be offering in that location only. Then I will be able to make my decision. If I think I will not be able to grow there, I will not be ready to relocate.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Akshita.
Thank you.
चलिए बात करते हैं अबाउट योर फीडबैक पार्ट. तो एंट्री के बाद में आप जैसे बैठे और तो सीवी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करेक्ट नहीं था. अगेन अभी बता कर तो आए थे फिर भी कि आपके सीवीज आपके फोल्डर के ऊपर ही होने चाहिए ऑलरेडी. या तो आपको डायरेक्टली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है ताकि टाइम कंज्यूम ना हो. ठीक है. एंड आप थोड़ा स्माइलिंग फेस के साथ उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करिए क्योंकि आप थोड़े डरे हुए लग रहे थे उसमें, और वो पूरे इंटरव्यू में लग रहे हैं आप कि आप डर रहे हैं और ऐसा लग रहा है कुछ प्रेशर है बहुत ज़्यादा, और ड्यू टू दैट आप फियरफुल लग रहे हैं. मतलब एज आपकी वो आवाज़ में पता चल रहा है, सब में पता चल रहा है. तो दूसरा फिर आप आई कांटेक्ट भी जो है आप सिंगल पर्सन से ही करते हैं, सबसे नहीं करते.
ये हमने सबने नोटिस किया. आप जिसका आंसर दे रहे हैं सिर्फ उसी को आप इंटरव्यूअर को
शिवन सर ने कुछ पूछा, आप रिप्लाई अक्षय सर की
मुझे तरफ देख के दे रहे हैं. और आप ड्यू टू दैट हेसिटेशन आपकी स्पीड फास्ट हो जाती है. कई बार ऐसे लगता है आप वो रट के आए हो, मगअप करके आए हो, आप बोल रहे हो बस उसको.
ओवर आउट करना चाहते हैं.
तो ये नहीं होना चाहिए. आप कंफर्टेबल होना चाहिए. हाँ, आप मतलब नॉर्मल. फिर देन ये अब आपका एक ही टोन पर, और वो भी वर्ड्स बिल्कुल ऐसे चल रहे हैं जैसे आपने पूरा रटा हुआ है. तो वो वाली चीज़ नहीं लगनी चाहिए, नेचुरल लगना चाहिए वो. ठीक है. और RSCIT का आपको पता नहीं था, वो करिए. और गार्गी पुरस्कार आपको मिला है तो क्यों मिलता है, क्या रीज़न है, उसके बारे में CV में तो जो भी चीज़ है सबके बारे में रिसर्च होनी चाहिए आपकी. ठीक है. 194C आपका ठीक था, बट आप ओवर एक्सप्लेनेशन कर रहे थे इस चक्कर में कि कहीं मैं गलत तो नहीं हूँ, तो उससे अपना कॉन्फिडेंस डाउन दिखता है हमको. तो वो चीज़ आपको देखनी है कि ओवर एक्सप्लेनेशन भी ना करें. हम जो टॉपिक है वो सीधा बस टू द पॉइंट बोलना उसको.
It's opportunity, not opportunity.
Yes, ma'am.
All 15 days, I kept explaining it to you. It's opportunity,
Yes,
opportunity. Okay. Then your voice was stammering. What sir said, your voice was stammering because of you being hesitant. So you need to control. Okay. Modulation लेकर आना है अपनी आवाज में. Okay.
मैम मेरे को रिलोकेशन का पूछना था. कौन सा
हाँ, relocation is okay.
उस रिलोकेशन में आपको ओनली मॉनेटरी टर्म्स नहीं बोलना है, लेकिन या बेटर ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटीज है. यस. और वहाँ पे आप बोल भी दोगे ना तो भी कोई नहीं कर रहा है आपको, बस वो जानने के लिए पूछते हैं. किसी को मना मत करना बस, नहीं तो वो ना लेने का तो सोच ही लेंगे
ये
आपको.
बोल सकते हैं ना, ये लगा सकते हैं कि ग्रोथ अगर मेरी हैम्पर नहीं हो जाए, आई विल बी रेडी.
Growth and safety and security for a girl. Safety and security.
या तो आप इसमें मना नहीं करना है आपको. यस, आई एम कंफर्टेबल.
ओके सर.
ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.
Take along. We don't need this.
एक रख सकते हैं, एक दे दो. इसकी वो बना देना. अच्छा, जब आप CV दे रहे थे तब भी आपके हाथ
Yes, I need to
you were
One
shooting.
more. Why were you carrying your phone? You should have handed it over
Hello?
to someone else. It didn't look good.
Yes.
It really didn't look good. Okay? So give your hand.
फोन आप यहाँ